Here is how to make a spray paint art painting in just a couple of minutes. Place a thin-edged bottle cap or some kind of lid down on a piece of glossy poster board. Spray a thin black layer of spray paint just to make an outline shape of your planet. Then spray down some white, followed by black. Less is more here. You really don't want much paint. From there, a nice little mist of white. Place down a plastic bag and run your fingers across a few times. Peeling back, you'll reveal some really nice textures that are going to become your planet. Play around with this. Each pass will lighten up the planet ever so slightly. From here, you want to shade your planet, hitting just one side with black spray paint. Place your bottle cap back down and go back in with a nice light touch of black for the sky. From here, take some white spray paint and streak across to make a nice misty effect. Then spray some white spray paint onto your finger, flick the excess off to the side, and flick down onto your canvas, creating some beautiful stars. Reveal your beautiful planet, and then add in some mist and cover it right up. Trust me, this is going to look really cool and add some really good depth effect to the painting. Same type of idea here. We're going to run our plastic bag, leaving just one edge, and it creates this really, really nice mountain effect when done over top of that white fogginess. Creating some layers, we're going to come back in with some black here, then some more white, and we're going to do it all over again. Come in with your plastic bag, nice light touch. Just trace the outline of a nice mountain. A little bit more black in the corner for shading. And of course, don't forget to sign your beautiful spray paint art painting. If you're interested in the wonderful world of spray paint art, if you're just getting started or looking to add some tips and tricks to your arsenal, make sure to hit the subscribe button, slap a like on this video, and stay tuned for some more spray paint art tutorials.